Hi superstars! Today I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be sharing with you the latest trends, including the current price of palm oil in Akwa Ibom State as at today and the current price of empty jerry cans as at today in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Alright, so a lot has been happening in palm oil business in Nigeria, and I know that so many people in palm oil business look forward to a video like this to know what's going on. Being not putting something out here gets a lot of people worried because they don't know what's happening. That's why I'm out here to give you updates on what's happening in palm oil business in Nigeria. All right, so palm oil business has been going on smoothly, and this year the price of palm oil has been a bit stable over a very long period of time. As of today, we are in the month of June, and usually by this time, palm oil usually record a very high price. But surprisingly, this year it has been a bit stable, and lots is stable enough for so many people to buy their palm oil. That is because this year the rain set in very late. We've had rainfall this year a bit late in the year. Usually other periods, other times of the year, by April we start recording very heavy rainfall. The rainfall is always usually heavy, lots of things change, the weather changes. But this year the weather too has been on recorded lots and lots of sunshine. Okay, and as you all know that palm fruits ripe whenever the sunshine, and once the rain sets in we start recording low yield of palm fruits reduce and harvest reduce and all that, and the price of palm oil starts increasing. Okay, so we have gradually shifted from sunny season to rainfall season. Yes, we have welcomed rainy season, and let's see, by this time, I think we'll start recording a gradual increase in the price of palm oil. So for those who didn't store their palm oil, you still have a little bit of window. The price of palm oil is still fair as at today. Okay, but I can't tell what will happen by tomorrow. You know that the weather these days has been unpredictable, but I have realized and noticed that there's been rainfall these few days. Okay, and once there is rain, we start recording an increase in palm oil price. So let's watch out. That's just a summary. Right now, my superstars, everything is so unpredictable. That's why, as much as possible, I try not to predict. I just lay out facts and all that, and then we watch because anything can happen suddenly and anything can change and all that. So I try not to predict, but I lay out facts based on facts, assumptions, and all that. Okay, my superstars. All right, so if you need palm oil, go ahead and buy your palm oil. All right. And please bear in mind, my superstars, that we have different grades of palm oil. We have grade 1, we have grade 2, we have grade 3. Okay, so when you are buying your palm oil, please ensure you go for the best quality. Okay, not quantity. So many people tend to play with quality and then go for quantity, and when it strikes, when it backfires, they'll be like, ID, my palm oil is this, ID, my palm oil is that. I'll say, you didn't get it from me, it is not my palm oil. Okay, so see how you can fix your mess. Okay, I'm sorry, but I'm not being rude. It's the fact, because I don't know the quality of palm oil you bought and what was added to it, so I there's no way I'll know a solution to the palm oil. Only the manufacturer, the person who gave it to you, would know what and was added to it, the type of palm oil he or she sent to you, and will know possible solutions. Okay, so that is just what it means. It's not that I'm being harsh or I'm being hard, it's just honest fact. So far I didn't give it to you, I don't know what was added to it. Okay, so I won't know the solution. But if you ask the manufacturer or whoever sent it to you, the person will know solutions and how to get it sorted out. Okay, my superstars. All right, so that means that when you're going for palm oil, please, my superstars, try to go for quality and not quantity. No palm oil is bad, but based on what you want to use it for. If you want to go use it for consumption, for eating, then my superstars go for the best quality, which is grade one. But if you want to use it for other purposes, then you can get other grades of palm oil. Okay, other grades of palm oil serve people for different purposes. So first, before getting a palm oil, be very clear about what you want to use it for. Okay, who your final market is going to be for. Okay, we have people who sell to companies, we have people who sell to people who produce soap, we have people who sell to different people. So who are going to be your final buyers? That should determine the type of palm oil you go for. What purpose will you be using for? These are all factors you place into consideration when you are buying your palm oil. All right, my superstars, and also my superstars, did you know that it's actually possible to buy a good palm oil and it gets spoiled in your hand due to poor handling? Yes, if you do not handle your palm oil very, very well, okay, it can actually spoil in your hand. It can actually deteriorate in quality in your hand. Not necessarily that the person that sent the palm oil to you sent a bad palm oil, but due to your poor handling of the palm oil can go rancid, it can solidify, lots of things can set in. Okay, so you need to handle your palm oil properly when it is sent to you, so you won't accuse a good vendor or sending a bad palm oil to you. Okay, so poor handling also plays a role in the final quality of a palm oil. If you handle your palm oil well, then it will be okay. Okay, if you handle your palm oil badly, then the final product will also come out badly. So you need to take proper care during your handling of palm oil. And also your storage facility plays a role in the final product of your palm oil. If your storage facility has bad temperature, that is bad for the palm oil. Over a period of time, it will affect the quality of the palm oil. Yes, so many people do not know that temperature plays a role in the final quality of palm oil. What happens to palm oil when you place it on heat? Okay, run that experiment and then come back and give me answers. Okay, the same thing that happens to palm oil when exposed to heat is what happens to your palm oil during storage. So you need to take proper care and watch out for temperatures. Ensure you have good temperatures when you are storing your palm oil. If not, my superstars, all these factors tend to affect your final palm oil. It tends to affect the final quality of your palm oil. All right, my superstars. Okay, so temperature is important. Do not underestimate the temperature when you are storing your palm oil. All right, my superstars. Okay, so another thing, my superstars, is your storage container. Yes, the type of container you use to store your palm oil matters a lot. Okay, are you using metallic containers to store your palm oil? Are you using plastic containers to store your palm oil? These things affect the quality of your palm oil, believe it or not. So many factors affect the quality of palm oil. So it's not just about buying palm oil, it's about watching different factors. Okay, so you don't end up running at losses. So many people buy palm oil and the storage facility affects the palm oil. So many people, the storage facility may actually be perfect, but the container they use for storage is not perfect, so it affects the quality of palm oil. So many people, the container may be perfect, the storage facility may be perfect, but the way they keep the palm oil affects the final quality of the palm oil. So, my superstars, you have to make sure that all factors are checked during palm oil storage. Some people will say, is it not palm oil? The palm oil we used to buy in the market. Why so many rules? Why you're making it look and sound difficult? Yes, it is money. And anything money, you need to take proper care of it. The slightest mistake can affect your final product. Okay, imagine storing your palm oil in a place where it reeks of strong odors, chemicals, okay, and you think it won't affect the final product. Why superstar? So there are lots and lots of things. Believe it or not, anything business is fragile. And in order to safeguard your money and everything, you need to take extra caution during storage. Okay, so that was just by the way, my superstars. Okay, before we talk about the current price of palm oil, jerry cans, and everything, if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and then I'll get right back to you. If it needs my doing a full video to give you full answers to explain perfectly, I will do that. Okay, my superstars. I see so many questions and over time, I try to answer them in videos. Okay, I throw them in during videos like this. So just leave it in the comment section and then I'll get right back to you. All right, my superstars. Okay, so let's continue. And my superstars, please hit the like button so I know you love this kind of content. Okay, it will encourage me to roll out more videos like this. Okay, my superstars. All right. So let's talk about the jerry cans. Okay, so the price of jerry can for 25 liters in Akwa Ibom State to you as at today is 5,000 naira. Other locations may have cheaper prices because Uyo is the state capital. Okay, and we have high demand for palm oil. So I'm based in New York. That is why the price of jerrycan is a bit high on the in this side. Okay, lots of people in smaller satellite places they tend to have used vegetable oil jerry cans, and there are I think they are more affordable, but considering distance transportation to go get them bring it back to you, it still adds up. Okay, so the price of empty jerry cans as at today is 5,000 naira. I don't know about other locations, but that is how it is in Uyo. All right, okay, so that brings me to palm oil. The price of delicious milled palm oil as at today is 39,000 naira. I don't know about other there are other grades, okay, there are other grades of palm oil and they have their price. But for delicious palm oil, the price is 39,000 naira for 25 liters, while the jerrycan is 5,000 naira, and logistics depends on your location. We have logistics to different locations, different places, and different modes of transportation. So depending on your mode of transportation and your location, it has its price attached. All right, my superstars. Okay, so if you'd love me to help you get delicious freshly milled palm oil from Akwa Ibom State to your location, you can always reach out to me and then I'll help you get started. Whatever you need, I'm at your service, my superstars. I run errands for people. I'm not ashamed, okay, with my full chest. I run errands for people. Whatever you need, be it crayfish, dry fish, feel free. Okay, send me, okay, and then I'll help you get it done and send it to your location. All right, my superstars. Okay, so for now, that's all in palm oil business as of today. I don't know the price of palm oil, what it's going to look like tomorrow, if it's going to reduce or increase. Like I said, the palm oil market is very, very unpredictable. It is not stable. It goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. The price this morning might differ by evening. That is how wonderful the market is. Okay, it is not stable. Anything can happen that will cause a sudden shift in price. So once it increases, I'll let you know. And once it reduces, I'll also let you know. All right, my superstars. Okay, so thank you for watching my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. And always know that I've got your back. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment section or send me a question in my DM and then I'll get right back to you. Okay, my superstars, thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you. You're the reason I keep coming out here. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. All right? Thank you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.